The first step is to choose the base size. There are 3 options: small, medium, and large in this video. I'm using the large base. Next, you'll need walls. You can choose walls with windows, doors, or solid partitions, depending on your preferred style and design. Insert the walls into the slots on the base. Since all the walls are interchangeable, you can arrange them in any configuration you like. In the large format, you also have the option to divide the space into 2 smaller rooms, as I've done here using French doors. If you're creating a single-story box, you'll need wall fasteners to secure the walls. If you want to build a second floor, replace the wall fasteners with a second floor base. If you plan to add a staircase, be sure to choose a base with a pre-cut opening for it. Attach the second floor base securely, and then repeat the process. Add walls in any configuration that suits your design. To finish your room box without a roof, use wall fasteners to hold everything in place. Building the box is easy and fun. It's a creative process my sons enjoy helping with. If you decide to add a roof, remove the wall fasteners and follow my steps. The roof consists of a base and roof panels, which come as a set. For larger room boxes, it's helpful to have someone assist you during assembly. Here's our completed 3-story dollhouse room box. You can design it however you like. Now, let's make it more interesting. I'll add another floor. To do this, I'll remove the roof. Use an upper floor base with support beams and stack it on top. Again, add walls as you prefer. Since I'm leaving the 3rd floor open, I'll use a support beam to prevent the ceiling from sagging. One of the best parts about this system is that no glue is required. You can disassemble or redesign your house anytime, but if you prefer a permanent structure, you can glue the pieces together. Then, I'll reinstall the roof. With this system, you can continue building up to a 5th floor, but keep in mind that it will make the house very tall. Here's another fun idea. Let's change the design. I'll remove the roof and replace it with a small format roof. I'll swap out a wall for a solid partition and add a pergola. Creating an outdoor relaxation area on the 3rd floor. I'll also add a table, bench, and BBQ. This new design looks great. Finally, let's add some additional elements. I'll install a fairy tale-inspired porch by the door, giving the entrance a magical look. You can also add balconies and staircases to any floor for even more customization.